Hi and welcome back. In the last video we took a tour of my early 2005 PowerMac G5 and saw, among other things, that it had 1 GB of RAM installed. This computer will support up to 4 GB. You can still actually buy new memory modules. They're not terribly expensive. I paid about $25 on Amazon. So there's no reason not to do it. So, for this project we're going to need 4 PC3200 DDR modules of 1 GB each. These have to be installed in pairs. We're also going to need an early 2005 PowerMac G5, and I have one of those. So let's get that case opened up. Okay, there is just a lever on the back to open that case up. That the side should pull right off. Right off, I said, and it did. Okay. And to access the memory modules, got to pull the plastic shield off. Just pops right out. And one more thing to remove, besides the modules, is the fan. The front fan. Again, slides right out. See, as I slide right out, don't make me a liar. Focus that on the memory, and it's just a little levers to pop out to get the memory cards out, modules. Okay, there you go. You got it. Easy. There we go. Sure what you're grabbing onto. Last one. And ready to install the new modules. Okay, those are only going to go in one way. That looks like you. Yeah, it's in. Okay. Yep, there it goes. Okay. Okay. Okay, last one. Okay, should be installed. Let's close her up and see if we're where we want to be. Okay, let's see if we got joy. Waiting. Oh, waiting. Problem here. Problem, of course, was that I didn't have the memory modules properly seated in their slots. So as far as the computer was concerned, it had no memory. A computer without memory is a little like a person when their memory starts to go. It forgets how to do things like run software and boot. So once I had that problem dealt with... Okay, well, it absolutely does boot, so... Let's see... Well, Crap, not quite what I was hoping for or expecting. 3 is not 4. Yep, so 3 and 4 slots are showing only 512 megabytes each. So, I'm going to go on a limb and say those, so, see what we can do about this. Well, so far at least, I haven't been able to do anything about it. As far as I can tell, there's nothing I could have done wrong that would cause the computer to underreport the amount of RAM installed. It's certainly possible to incorrectly install the memory modules, but most likely the computer's just not going to boot. I did attempt to install another set of modules, but that didn't work either. They're either defective or I managed to get the wrong type of memory for the system. I can't rule that out. At any rate, I'm not inclined to spend any more time on this at the present. I have other projects in mind for this machine, and I want to get on with them. At 3 gigabytes, the memory is upgraded from the 1 gigabyte that was there before, just not maxed out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you next time. Bye!